This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do 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 do.
It's Go Dogs for One.
Good morning, guys. It's AT. What's up, you guys? I just woke up, but that's okay. So I'm gonna organize the freezer. I'm gonna put some stuff in the other freezer, maybe. I don't know. I haven't decided yet what I'm gonna do in the other freezer yet, but I'm thinking clean out, organize this because I don't know what's in this. I think it's fruits and vegetables, but I'm not too sure. I know some stuff's there, so I don't know what's behind anything. So talk to you guys when I organize it. So right now we are just gonna peel the potatoes for the scallop potatoes, so talk to you guys then. The next step is I'm gonna make them in french fries, so talk to you guys when I do cube them. Next step is a little bit of flour. Not too much to make it thin. The next step is I'm putting some butter or margarine or whatever you like to use. It's your call. It's not my call what you guys use, but I'm using butter because I have some stick butter. So that's pretty cool. Once you're done, you add milk to it. Hopefully I do this right. I don't know. Then I'm gonna add some cheese to the top. So that's what I'm gonna do. So talk to you guys when I'm done with the cheese. This is what it looks like before I put it in the oven, you guys. Hopefully it turns out, I don't know. I've never made scallop potatoes before, you guys. I know my mom told me how to do it, so thanks for mom how told me how to do it. Because it means a lot to me when she gives me recipes and stuff. So that's pretty cool and exciting. So talk to you guys when it's done cooking. So the scallop potatoes are done, and this is what it looks like, you guys. Yeah. Hopefully it turns out good too. I've never made scallop potatoes before, so let's try a little bit. Wait on this one. Ow. Not bad. But I think I'll dig deeper. So hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up. And tell me in the comments what other things do you guys want me to do. So talk to you guys after later. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up. I'm just gonna end today's video. So if you guys like what you guys see, give it a big thumbs up. If you guys don't, that's okay with me. I'm not gonna hold that anyone against anything. So that's pretty cool and exciting. So let's go dogs for one. Signing out. Peace and guys. See you guys back here in the near future. Have a good day. Goodbye.